Hi everybody, this is Bria Skomberg, and in this video I'll be sharing a little bit about one of the key aspects of my warm-up routine. Now, assuming we've already established a good breathing technique, the next thing I do is I take out the tuning slide. Yes, I take out the tuning slide of my trumpet, and this enables me to focus on playing just through the mouthpiece with the resistance of the lead pipe and linking my embouchure buzzing to my airflow in order to get a good tone. So, most trumpets will resonate either on a concert D or E flat. I'm pretty consistent at an E flat. I'll sing that note, I'll play that note, and I'll just work on noticing, not judging, but noticing what is going on with my sound. Is it a little airy? Is it fuzzy? And making minor adjustments with my embouchure, my air support, my posture perhaps, to get as clear a sound as possible. Once I feel like I've achieved some clarity and comfort in that register, I will push up to the next harmonic, which is a concert F. Now you'll hear me sliding between the two notes because this to me is the epitome of figuring out just how much energy, how much air, how much you need to push to get in between those two registers, in the staff and above the staff. Again, singing will help link your ear to this process. Moving on to the next harmonic, it is a fifth above that. So and I'll be going through these notes back and forth a little bit, just trying to get some flexibility between that, checking with my chops, how I feel, where am I holding tension today, and even perhaps pushing up one more. So that is the first thing that I will do once I get the horn on my face. Singing through the registers and working through the harmonics of our brass tube.